Welcome this video side of drive away landscape idea. Landscape the site of a drive away can enhance cap appear increasing popular value and create a welcome entrance away to your home. Whether you have a noble side or a wide space, there are neighboring a way to comfort the area into a beautiful and functional landscape. Here are some create idea to consider. Boarding gardening, a well gardening board can farmer your dwight away elegance. You can use a mix of latiniums, shade, or numbering glass to create a lush look. Consider plants like pop of color, boxwood for lawman and truss, alkansating bomb, stone part away. If you have a wide away edge to growing or stop stone part away can be an excellent ads. This comes up as a part walk away well also complement the overall landscape. Use decoration range or rug of plots to line the elegant for a published look. Lawman enters group cover. Gardening cover are great for maximize week and add gardening without request much keep up some gardening other deep those plants quick and provide a soft textile look to the divide away board. Decoration edge add much bed can help rain mouse and sapling weak. Use original mulch such as board, wick and add decoration edge like stone, metal to define the space cover. Light access outdoor lights can improve soft and aesthetic. Solar panel part away. Lights LED spotted, lecturing, space, style maximize, can highlight the landscape, wide gas wizard, soft at night, white flower and natural plants gardening. For a natural and Asia friendly approve consider plants, white flower or natural plants that in your request then request minimize main entrance effect pollution and add vibrant color to your dried away edge. Decoration hardscape incorporating hardscape elements like relative wall for sub area, rock gardening for a rustic feel, board of a refined structure look. Those elements add interior and help with rolling connect if need. Eligible landscape if you enjoy gardening, consider plants as plants like heart, pine tree that away your part away landscape can be both ed and functional. Seasoning flower bed to keep your landscape damaged plants. Seasoning flowers such as defined in switch flower seasoning keep the space live and colorful year round. Water feature a smartphone train bolt and decoration paint need the hardscape can add a scene touch. Those elements wildlife and create optical climax plants. If you have a fence and structure need the dried away climax plants can add a versatile elements. Dried away. If you dried away is white, create a central with plants board or companion of tree and flower can break up the space and mark if more various appear. Rain gardening and water management. A rain gardening can help manage water runoff and point while at beauty to the hardscape. Use water, love plants, blue eyes for a clean and gardening approach with zero main interest can be a great other F provide the look of glass without the need for water or moat. Finally, touch with thoughtful plants the site of your dwight away can be transforming into a stream landscape that enhance cup appear and add vibrant to your home. Consider the climax, main entrance level and available space. Select the best design of your popular, whether you choose flower, plants, stand tree, or hardscape elements. A wall design died away board